Zhang Youming, a Chinese gynecologist, once worked in Algeria and helped bring newborns into the world. She was then on the first medical team China sent to the African country in 1963.
我们没有派过医疗队，我们是首批医疗队。我们在阿尔及利亚的时候，白天上班，晚上就学习。有一个病人啊，孩子比较大，生不出来，我用你呢，搞他帮他忙啊，他就生下来。后来他说，我要把这个孩子叫做中国人。
Since then, successive Chinese medical personnel have been working in African countries, providing much-needed medical aid and services. In Namibia, Chinese medical teams have provided traditional Chinese medical treatment to local people.
经过20多年的各批次的医疗队员的共同努力呢，针灸推拿已经在纳米比亚落地生根。如果对于中医方面有需求，我们也会提供相应的医疗服务。
Got the treatment of Chinese acupuncture. It's a nice treatment. It helps very well. I recommend people to try it. It helps. I'm feeling better.
China has also partnered with local hospitals to establish specialty medical centers and address technical gaps. At the Chinese invested Addis Ababa Silk Road General Hospital in Ethiopia, a team of specialized medical professionals has recently conducted Africa's first advanced vein care and treatment.
We have a very new technology. That changes the total story about the treatment. Usually the treatments for varicose veins, patients have to stay in hospital for 3 to 7 days after procedure, but now only maybe 1 hour. Patient can walk out of the operating room right away and go back to the work or to the normal daily life. That's a big change because of the cutting edge technology.
አይ በጣም ጥቅም አለው። ከዚህ በላይ እንግዲህ ከህይወት በላይ እንግዲህ የምለው ነገር የለም። ዋናው ህይወት ነው። ይሄን ምርመራ መረመራለሁ ብል ስንት ገንዘብ ነው የማወጣው? እና ይሄን እድል ማግኘት በወረዳዬ በጣም አመሰግናለሁ ነው ማለት ነው። በጣም እደሰታለሁ ማለት አቅም ስለሌለኝ ይሄን እድል መረመራለሁ ብል ስንት ገንዘብ ነው የማወጣው? ከአቅሜ ጋር ማለት ግን ይሄን እድል በወረዳችን ላይ ማግኘት ግን በጣም ተደስቻለሁ። አመሰግናለሁ። እድሜና ጤና ይስጥልኝ። ሌላ ምለው ነገር የለኝም።
Since the 1960s, China has dispatched about 30,000 medical personnel to 76 countries and regions across 5 continents, primarily in Africa. The Chinese medical teams have saved countless lives, enhanced the medical expertise in African nations, and trained over 100,000 healthcare professionals, producing lasting outcomes.